Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm pretty excited. I just bought this from Amazon I got it on a discount for $85. This is called a Redtiger 4K dual dash cam. So it has the front and the back camera. So this is a Redtiger 4K ultra clear Wi-Fi and app control GPS tracking. Model number is F7NP. Okay, look at what the dash cam looks like. It's in 4K. And let's open this up. Okay, this is a front camera right here, front camera, and you also got the GPS mount. This is called a GPS mount. Okay, to put the camera in right here. This camera connected to that. And then you have the right here. This is a power supply. And this part right here is connected to the camera right there. UBS port right here, connected to that. And then so this is the back camera right there. This is the back camera right here. You can disconnect it before you right here. So this is the back camera. And they give you a long cable right here. This is pretty long one. I don't know how long it is, but it's pretty long cable. So this part right here connected to the right here to the AV end right here. You plugged in this right here. This is cable clip. They give you a few of them right here. Let's see, 4 cable clips right there. You know, yeah, this tool is come in handy, because you don't want to scratch your car when you try to hide the cable, you know, underneath that the car. They give you this. This is called electrostatic sticker. So basically, they say here, please attach electrostatic sticker to the windshield before using all adhesive. Okay, so you stick this one first to the windshield before you put, you know, mounting this on there. Okay, they give you a booklet right here on how to use it, how to use the camera. So in here you can, so this one right here, you can download the Wi-Fi app right there, and it show you on how to install this camera right there. And the first thing you need to do, mount this camera to the windshield. Okay, so first of all, remove this little sticky tape right here in front of the lens. Remove it, and then remove the tape right here on the screen, for the screen. Remove that, and then connect the camera to the GPS mount. All right, connect it. And then so this is the cable right there. They connect to the cigarette lighter right here. That's for the power. And then you just connect this to the camera right here, and like that to that. And then plug this into the cigarette lighter. Okay, now turn on the car so you can power the camera. So turn on the car, and okay, so I'm comfortable with this area right there where I'm gonna put the camera. So let's take the piece of paper towel, just clean it. You don't want any dirt in there. This is called electrostatic sticker. So I'm gonna peel it off and put it right there before I attach the camera into it, the suction cup into it. Okay. Now I'm gonna peel off this suction cup peel off the tape from the suction cup right here, and I'm gonna just stick it to that Now to secure it, turn this knob right here, the GPS, this GPS, turn it. That's it. So now I'm installing the back camera. Find a place that's a good place out here, probably around here, maybe in the corner. Remove the tape from the lens, and then remove this tape in the back right here, and then you just stick to it. And this camera could be turned right here. Okay, you can turn it 360 basically, just so. Alright, that's it. Just connect this part right here to the like that, and then just run this cable to the back. Let's connect this part. Now you can use this tool right here to hide the wire. I would hide this wire underneath here. This way. And then this way. Here, and you go down there. There, just high under the cable for the front camera. You just high underneath here using this right here. Oh, go right here, and then this seam right here, down there, and then higher down there, there, and then just high under the mat. That's it. Yeah, for the back one, have to go through here. Okay, same procedure. Just go there, and then go through here, and then go down there. So after everything is hooked up, let's test out the camera. So every time you turn on the car, the camera is already on. Okay, and this the on and off button right here, and this your SD card right there, the slot right here. So the 32 megabyte SD card, and so push it again. Let's show you this screen right here. Push it again to show you the front screen, the back screen, and then push it again, off. Okay, let's turn it back on again. And this is the manual button right here. Say M right there, manual button. If you press that, the middle one right here, you press that, there's so video playback. If you right here, press the top one, the top arrow, to select which one you want. And then if you let's go to the setting, the top arrow right there, and then press the M to select. the setting. They have resolution, audio, date stamp, loop, sensor, fatigue, speed, and then you keep going in. So I recommend that before you before you start using this, you should format your the memory card first. So format it first before you start recording, and then card speed, default setting, vision, center, and then okay. Oh, this one right here. Okay, I back to a live video feed now. So this one, you want to take a snapshot of the press the bottom arrow right here. That's taking a snapshot. And you connect this to Wi-Fi also, and playback right here. So playback, you can put in the top one is F right here. FF, that's mean the front camera that capture the video, and the RR is the rear and the back one. So you can put that in normal mode, urgent, or photo. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Let's take this for a spin and see how it does on the road. See, I'm gonna show you all the pictures. I'm gonna go through the daytime, nighttime, the front camera, the back camera. I set the front camera as a 4K and the back one is a 1080. Okay, so the front one is more clear. I think the back one, the 1080 is still a 1080p. I think this is a very good camera. It's pretty clear. When you see the picture on the freeway and the regular road that go through the neighborhood right here, yeah, this camera is a pretty decent camera, I think. And say, okay, let's take this for a spin. Okay, let's go for a test drive. See, this camera is pretty clear to me, but we're gonna test it out in nighttime, see how it is. But it seems to be very clear.